Hello, my name is Robert Dean Steele, and this is Promises of the Bible. Listen to what Paul says in Romans 13:13. He says, "Let us behave decently as in the daytime, not in carousing and drunkenness, not in sexual immorality or debauchery, not in dissension or envy or jealousy." You see, it's very easy to fall into bad patterns of life. And maybe that's what's happened to you. And you said, I'm in a bad place right now. You know what? God is here to help you. Also, as a believer, we're not to envy those who have something we don't have. Now, it could be just about anything. It could be a time. It could be material possessions. It might be a talent. It might be a certain lifestyle that they possess. The Bible teaches us we're not to do that. We are to keep our eyes focused on God. Remember, God is going to supply every need that we have according to his riches in glory. He is going to be Jehovah Jireh. He's going to be able to take care of every single need. So there is no need for us to envy after someone else. There's no need for us to be involved in certain types of lifestyle, because what God wants to do in our lives today is he wants us to draw close to him. He wants us to focus on him, because he's the one that's going to give us the victory that we need. He's going to give us the prosperity. He's going to give us the abundant life. He is going to give us everything that we need for righteousness and life. So today, follow Paul's example. He says, let us behave decently. Let us show to the world what Jesus Christ is all about. Years ago, there was a man who was looking at the lifestyle of another man who happened to be a Christian. Now, this man had watched this Christian man for a number of months, and then came to him one afternoon and said, "You know what? I like your brand of Christianity." And the man kind of looked at him and said, "In what way?" He says, "You've really shown me Jesus Christ. I want to give my life to Jesus." So what we need to do is we need to be ambassadors of Jesus Christ, who not only model it with our speech, but with our lives. So today, make sure that you follow the Lord's example and behave decently. Some other scriptures I don't want to leave with you today are 1 Corinthians 13:4, Galatians 5:19 through 23, and James 3:14-16. My name is Robert Dean Steele, that is. Almost said AM 930 light, didn't I? Anyway, you have yourself a great and godly day. These, of course, are the promises of the Bible.